It was looking good. I mean, you know, it's a motorsport event, so it was looking good. Unfortunately, only until the last hour. I mean, we've been fighting at the front more or less the whole race. We've been leading the race for a while. We were definitely going for a podium when you look at where we were.
Unfortunately, Seb, with 1.5 hours to go, got hit by a GT car in the back, which broke our rear wing and broke our diffuser, and you know, time to replace the tire, which was damaged also. And the rear of the car, you know, we were out of contention, which is a real shame, because the way the race played out, we would have been fighting for the win all the way.
I think this race has been the best one in terms of pure performance for the whole team. So that's quite positive to look the future, you know, from the start, and to make sure that we can carry on. So yeah, it's the way it is. Looking forward to next year now.
Yeah, thanks to the support of Mustang Sampling Cadillac Racing, and the team did a great job, and we keep going.